Welcome! My name is Delilah and this is my sewing channel. And yay, it is finally Friday, so hashtag Friday Sews. Today I got some fabrics in the mail, so I'll be opening up those with you. I'm also going to show you a shirt that I've been working on. Then I actually got manhandled by the Hulk, which was cool. By this point, you've probably heard of Friday Sews before, but if you haven't, Jen from the Today in Jen's Sewing Room started the whole Friday Sews thing. So it's a really fun community of sewers, and it's a great way for everyone in the sewing community to come together and just meet new people and maybe subscribe to some different channels. So if you're new here, then I want to welcome you and consider subscribing because I feel like we have kind of a lot of fun here. So this week has been kind of overwhelming. I've had just a lot going on, and it makes me want to take a step back and just take a break from everything. But then as soon as I do, the next day I'm like, I want to get back into this, I want to get back into that, I want to keep sewing. And so I know that it's just like an overwhelming feeling that lasts, maybe like 8 to 24 hours, and then I'll be okay again. So let's just get started. I'm going to show you some of my fabrics. And I just got a package in the mail, and we're going to open it up now. They're wrapped up really nicely. Ooh, this one is going to be I'll let you know what pattern I'm going to use on this one. I already have an idea. Okay, so this is like a rayon. It's not very see-through. It's really pretty. Let me go look in the mirror. This is the first time that I have opened it. Okay, so that is a lot of fabric, but I feel like it's springy. It's a neutral color. It's not going to stand out that much. And let me go get the pattern real quick. I feel like this is going to be a really good pattern to use for that one. So then I got two others. Okay, this is flowers. This one, it looks really springy as well. Flowers. Ooh, I can't wait for this one. This one will either be a shirt for me or for my daughter. Let me see if it's see-through. Yeah, it's not really see-through. I can put a lining underneath it though. Ooh, but it's like really nice and flowy. And I don't think it's gonna wrinkle very well either. And so I'm gonna put these ones in the wash. Let me show you the other one that I got. Okay, this one I thought was really cute too. And, oh, it shows me on here. So this one, okay, that one was a rayon fine crepe. And then this one is a light crinkle crepe. Okay, sorry, I had to go see what it looked like in the mirror. But this one is really cute as well. It's, yeah, it's just basic. It's not very see-through. And this one, I think I'm gonna, so it's kind of, it's got the fishes on it, so I'm probably gonna add like some ruffles to it to make it more feminine, and it can be like a cute summer dress, like even for my daughter. But I love this, and I love the weight of it, so I'm excited to get sewing on those. And then some other things that we did, we went to Vegas. We're about 6 hours away from Vegas, and so we went to the Wax Museum. So there I am with Hulk, and there is my family. They're just a whole bunch of wax figurines, and there's my daughter with Hugh Hefner. So that is the only time I would let my daughter sit on the same couch as Hugh Hefner, is when he is a wax figurine. And I also, let's see, on Wednesday I posted a tutorial on how to put these cute candy Easter bags together, and they've got the cute little Easter ears. So you'll want to check out that tutorial as well. So the ears kind of flop. And, these yummy, yummy, yummy candies. I wish I could share them with you guys through, the screen, but I can't. I won't eat it in front of you. And then I have to show you this other shirt that I've been making that is kind of in progress. So it's this one right here. Oh, here's the pattern right here. And so I've been kind of taking my time and, you know, just working on it a little bit every day. But I get so obsessed and hung up on the necklines on any type of shirt that I do. So right now I'm working on the neckline, and it's the binding neckline, and I still feel like that is just too big. That's the inside. This is the outside, but I'm gonna keep going on it and try to get it done, and we'll see how it works. And but the other thing that is weighing me down, that it just came to me why I am feeling like overwhelmed. I have taxes. I need to get started on my taxes this week. I have an Etsy shop. And so last year, you know, I did really good with the sales. I was so excited with all these sales coming in. But now that it's tax season, I'm like, take them back, and not worth it. But so that's what I'm going to be working on. So I'm going to say happy sewing to you, and thank you for watching my channel. And I'm going to go get started on my taxes. Until next time, happy sewing. Okay, I know I said I was going to start doing my taxes, but yes, I'm starting another shirt. Ooh. Bye guys. Have a good weekend.